ଆଜ୍ଞା।
କିଏ ଭଲ ଗୀତ ଗାଇ ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି?
Very nice. तो आउ दीदी आउ कौन एंडी परिबा कौन चाष करूछ
बाइगण
बिलाती बिलाती बाइगण तो एठी माटी रे कौन भलो हुए एटा तो टिके बालिया माटी
बालिया माटी ना कि उन्नत माटी सब चाष भलो हुए
सब चाष भलो हुए so this being a coastal area there are the soil is little sandy so I mean not all sort of vegetation is possible in this area. However, she is saying that it's a very fertile land despite of it being sandy. It's a very fertile land and so they are able to grow multiple varieties of crops here and which is sometimes also enough for their own consumption. They are not necessarily distributing it away, but it is more than enough for their own consumption. So they are also into poultry farming. I guess that is another form of income, how they generate income. So our so they get different kinds of vegetables, be it eggplant, be it tomatoes, and
you know, writing in every single thing that might interest you or you came across as important. Be strategic in terms of what things you commit to do. You know, you might be invited to a very good chapter. Spend the time that it takes, rather than kind of writing for the sake of publishing. And I think that's again something that we all need to evaluate.
So you mean to say that like it should be in a specific area, even though we are in that need to be involved. So that's what.
Because sometimes it happened with me also. I started writing in those areas where like I'm not having too much expertise, but yeah, that is little bit related
while
to
writing we develop
so in mid of the same I started thinking how to complete this paper. But those areas where I like the areas, that paper I usually complete.